Yari has Mr. to lead us a prayer and Miss to lead us a prayer for our Christians. So yes. Okay, thank you. So, um, who is the absent today? No. Who's absent today? Great. If not, no absent today. If not, so let us proceed to our discussions. So our topic today is all about the force and law of motion. So when we heard, okay, before that, our objectives now is at the end of this lesson, student will be able to understand the causes of motion. What is force? We will talk that since our topic is all about the force and law of motion, of course, we will talk about the types of force. And the last one is three laws of motion.
So class, first first we before we start or before we proceed to our main topic, which is force and law of motions. First, what is causes of motion? No? So here in one picture, no, ang tignan nyo is tong trend. So kapag ang trend, kung mapapansin natin para siyang blurred, ibig sabihin yan, gumagalaw ang isang trend. So kapag ang isang trend is nag-move siya, so ano ang na-apply sa pag-move ng force or pag-move ng trend na yan rather? Yes, so yes, force para mag-move ang isang bagay, 'di ba? Para maka-move siya into one place to another, no? So nagkakaroon ng force, nakaka-apply diyan siya ng force. So ganon din sa horse na ito. Sa horse, nagmo-move din siya. And also dito sa picture na naglalaro ng ball is nagkakaroon ng applying of energy by the means of or strength by the means of pag pinalo nila yung ball na yan. So meron silang na-apply na energy and strength by that. So na-move yung bola, nagkaroon ng action yung bola. And even yung nagpalo, even yung first 2% na yan, is nagkaroon din ng applying of energy and strength. And even sila, yung hands nila and ang paa nila is nagkaroon din ng movement. So, ang causes po ng motions, itinatawag na force. So, yun yung tatalakayin natin ngayon.
Our topic is all about force and law of motion. First and foremost, I will ask you on the screen what we will say to the picture that I shared to you. Yes, this picture is represent as a push and pull. Tama? Yes. So now, force. What is force? Pag nag-apply ba ako ng force or tinulak ko ba yung isang bagay is force na ba yun? Yes, correct. That is force. Pag hinila ko ba ang isang bagay, force na ba yun? Yes, that is correct. That is force. Pag naglakad ba ako, may force ba na naganap? Yes, meron. First, words dito ng whose and who. That is force. Because when you say force, everyday activity life is force. Power, kapangyarihan na gumalaw ng isang tao o ng isang bagay by the help of person. Tama? Nandoon yan, yes, even ang bagay. Gumagalaw yan siya, nag-move siya into another place. by the help of the people, and that or matter to matter, and that is malalaman natin yung three laws of motion. For that, we will focus on this force. Force, para maintindihan natin yan. Force. Force is yan yung bagay na lahat ng tao is ginagawa. Pag sinabi natin force, nakasteady ka lang dyan, and you move to another, or you forward to another place. So that is force. Why? Because the process is when one matter or when a person or things that move when and apply strength and energy, that is force. No? Yun ang tinatawag na force. So the next one is the two types of forces. We have two types of forces. So class, what can you say about the picture that you have in our screen? What can you say? The difference between the two pictures that I have shown to you. Yes, we have contact and distance forces. When you say contact force, is yan na yung force na meron kayong contact with object and you. Let me guess, or let example is push, no? Pushing the matter or pushing the things, no? Let's say meron kang tinutulak na bagay. So, meron kayong contact. You have contact with that things or matter. Like for example, no? Tinulak ko itong bangko. Yes, I push it. So, hinawakan ko yung bangko para ma-move siya into another place. So, that is the contact forces. Second one is distance forces. Do you believe in distance by force class? Very good. Yes. And even me too, is I believe in that. Distance force is the example of this very familiar to us as the gravitational force. Gravitational force. So, wala silang contact, no? Physical, what I mean is physical contact, yung nagtatouch sila in each other. But nagkakaroon ng applying of the force through the gravitational force. Like for example, sun and earth, no? Umiikot ang ating earth sa sun, rather. Umiikot ang ating earth sa sun. Let us example this our sun. And this is our earth. Umiikot siya sa sun, no? Do you believe in that? No? Ang umiikot kasi is earth, hindi ang sun. Ang umiikot is earth sa sun. Slowly around the sun, ang earth. So yun, gravitational force rather, the gravitational force. That is an example of distance force. This gravitational force. Do you understand? Yes? Okay, thank you for that response and the participation. So before we move to the laws of motions, any questions about our discussions or clarification about the laws of forces and two types of forces? Okay, not. So let us proceed to the law of motions. Class, before we discuss about the law of motion, first is we will tackle about the forces. So what is the force again? Yes, the push and pull. The applying of energy in one matter, or even the walking. even the biking or sitting in car. So we will understand bakit nagkakaroon or bakit nag-move ang isang bagay. Or yan, yung bakit mas magaan, yung bakit mas heavy yung matter, yan. So, yan, of course. Pag isang bagay is gumamit ng strength and nag-move siya in one place to another, that's force. Right? Second one is, dito na tayo sa three laws of motion. Since we will discuss, again and again, the forces. So, three laws of motion. We have force, we have inertia, and force and acceleration. First is, one matter siya, no? In first law of motion, ang isang bagay, naka-steady lang yan siya. Kung hindi yan siya magalaw, hindi yan siya gagalaw. Right? Like for example, sumakay ka ng truck, you were sitting in the car. So, okay lang yung flowing, staying in the car or sitting in the car, yung takbo ng car, or sit relaxing. And, no matter of fact, biglang nag-break yung truck or yung brake, nag-stop siya ng, then you are forced like that. So, yes, nagkakaroon doon ng first, yun yung tinatawag ng first law of motions. Why? Because first thing, you were staying in, wala kang movement. And slowly nag-brake, diba yung car, and the movement that you have is like that. So, nagkakaroon doon ng movement. That is the first law of motion. Second one is second law of motion. A force equals mass times acceleration. And that we have formula here, which is F. F is equal to m a, or time accelerations. So, steady lang siya, or equal ang kanyang mass and times and acceleration. For what matter? The example of this is second law of motion. In what matter is? Let us say that, or think about it, yung difference between the motor and the bike. So, alin doon heavy sa motor and bike? Of course, yes, bike, So, it depends on the heavy of the motor ang kanyang mass times and acceleration na magagamit. By means of what? By means of forces. By means of force. So, yun ang tinatawag ng second law of motions. And third one is third law of motion. In every action, there's is an equal and opposite reactions. So, what is the example of this? First is when you shoot the ball, and nag-bounce yung ball, and that is a reaction. So, yun ang tinatawag ng third law of motion, is an equal and opposite reaction. Do you get my point? Do you catch up it? Yes. Yes, thank you. So that is the three laws of motions. We have inertia. That is the three laws of motions. So any questions? Yes. So before that, Before that class, before we end our session, I want you to know we will have the bring home or bring home or a research work that you will have to our next discussions. So research about the mechanical engineer, no? So we will having or our next topic next meeting. So I want you to um, research, no? Para meron kayong guide, meron kayong background about the next discussions. So, any question and clarification? So, if not, so everybody stand up. Okay. My class, thank you for your participation, and that's all for today. That's all for today, and class dismissed. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to each and everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Rodney Negre, by this subject. I am Olakaya Mera Muslimin and the teacher for the course and law of motion.
So that's all end of my report. Thank you and God bless you.